Hello student, good afternoon. Today we are going to study the relationship between inflation and unemployment. There is Phillip's curve. First point is what is the Phillip's curve and what the curve is explained. The Phillip's curve means in the professor of London School of Economics A.W. Phillips, they are introduced 1958, developed the Phillips curve. First, he studied the wage behavior and unemployment rate of UK the year of 1861 to 1957. Then he found the rate of unemployment rate and rate of increase in money wage rate is inversely related in 1958. That means is nationality published Phillip's curve in 1957-8. Then we briefly will explain what is the money wage rate. The money wage rate means determine the value of money. Is the definition of Phillip's curve an empirical relationship between rate of unemployment and the rate of increase in money wage was presented by the A.W. Phillips. Phillips curve means if unemployment rate is increase and money wage rate is decrease. The wage inflation means change of money wage rate. Inflation is increase, then the unemployment is decrease, is vice versa. Is diagrammically here unemployment Phillips curve means an empirical relationship between the rate of unemployment and the rate of increase in money wage rate was presented by A.W. Phillips in 1958. You know it basically his other name is Phillips curve hypothesis. It's diagrammically is explained is x-axis is ox, oy, ox, y-axis. There is O and X. Here Ox is unemployment rate and OY is change of money wage rate. That means wage inflation. Here this is why if basically this is here x1 x2 x3 x y1 y3 when ox1 is unemployment rate, that time inflation is oy4. When unemployment is ox4, that time wage inflation is oy1. That means wage inflation and unemployment rate is inversely related or negative relationship. If one is increase, another is decrease, vice versa. In the rate of inflation, the rate of then now we are explaining mathematical. Rate of wage inflation or the rate of increase in wage rate can be expressed what IW equal to WT minus 1 minus WT by WT, equation 1. That means here IW is equal to wage, means wage inflation, and W means wage of current period. W means wage of current period. Then what? WT plus 1. WT plus 1 means wage of next period. Here the equation Phillip from unemployment rate and natural rate of unemployment can be written. Phillip then he explain the unemployment and natural rate of unemployment can be written what IW is equal to summation minus summation U minus U star. Here summation means what? Responsiveness of wage to unemployment. Okay, then what is U and U star? Okay, here U means unemployment and U star means what? Natural rate of unemployment. Okay, now what? This is 1 and this is 2. Now multiply both equation. What is first is IW is equal to what? W is equal to IW. That means here WT plus 1 minus WT by WT equal minus summation U minus U star. Okay, now you solve this, cross multiply. What do you do? WT plus 1 minus WT equal to minus WT summation U minus U. Okay, here WT plus 1 minus WT equal to, what do you do? Here minus WT summation U minus U star. Okay, then here WT plus 1 equal to WT. Okay, WT minus WT summation U minus U star. Okay, now WT plus 1 equal to WT, come on, 1 plus summation minus summation U minus U star. Okay, here therefore here U minus U star means unemployment gap. Okay, Here another thing about the equation. This is equation 3. Okay, here when u means what? Unemployment, and u star means natural rate of unemployment. Yes, when u greater than u star, that time or the result is wage rate. When u greater than u star, that time wt plus 1 will be fall. Okay, that means wage rate, next wage rate will be fall. Same thing, u less than u star, that means u wt plus 1 wage rate of next period will be rise. Okay, that time wage rate to rise above the previous level, employment must be below the natural rate. Okay, this is the simple and easy method of how to we describe the inflation and unemployment rate or Phillip score. This is for 5 marks or 7 marks. We'll write easily, and we'll next time we'll read the trade-off in Phillip score. Okay, thank you students. This is my channel. Please subscribe the channel and share the video your friends. Namaskar.